Okay, I have a secret. I usually record videos with a beanie because continuity with my hair is so hard. But let's give it a try. One small tip that is gonna change your life when you're doing your videos. That's only one small tip. I'm pretty sure that you heard that whenever you're cutting your video, you should cut in the beat of the music, right? And that makes a lot of sense because you're feeling the beat, clapping, and bring you the rhythm to cut your videos. And I'm pretty sure that made a lot of sense for you. But I'll tell you what, music is not only made about rhythm. Music is made with melody, harmony, texture, and rhythm. So why should you cut your video to the rhythm when you can make your video dance to the music with all its elements? And I'll tell you an example. You probably went to church when you were a kid and you saw your grandma clapping the music, just the normal clapping to the beat and the standard clapping. And that's exactly where most of the filmmakers cut their videos. They cut the videos with the clapping, the grandma clapping in the church, but instead of finding the grandma, going somewhere else. Go and try to find the guitar, try to find the sax or the drums playing to the music, and you can swing around between those. Don't stick to one, just dance around, find one instrument and then find the other. It might be a little hard, but one exercise that I give it to you is before you cutting your video to the music, just close your eyes and just try to feel what makes you move. For example, listen to this music here and close your eyes. Maybe what's making you move is the drums, but maybe what's making you move is the melody. Or maybe what's making you move is the combination of all of it. So cut your image with the combination and what is touching you instead of just cutting the video to the music. And that's gonna actually give your audience a deep connection with your video. We can never forget that it's about audio visual. So the audio has a huge part on your video. The way you play with the audio and the way you connect those images to the audio makes all the difference. And whenever you have your music, don't forget, close your eyes, feel it, and all the spots that make you move and make you wanna dance with it, that's where you want to cut, not only the classic rhythm. And let's say you're a person that is not as sensitive to dance like me, I don't like to dance as much, you can also use your waveform. The way that waveform kind of dance around in the shape, that's kind of a visual element that can help you to understand how the music forms itself. So here you can see that the wave starts very low and then becomes a little bit heavier, more punch. That's usually where I want to put the image there, kind of more flowy, more dancing, or the best images I have. And whenever the music's calmer and soft, and you can see by the part where the waves are lower, here you can put more slow-mo type of action or more chill movements, so you can kind of draw your video along on how the music shapes itself. And to finish this video, I want to give you a powerful tip. A lot of people, when they're finishing their video, they usually just put a fade out, or not even that. They just cut the music and that's it. The video ends and you're feeling the music, you're feeling the vibe, and then you just cut out of it. So the best way to finish your video with the music is cutting a little bit of the tail where the music finished, where you see the audio going over, and then you usually bring to where you want your video to end. Let's say you have a 1 minute video, so you bring this finishing part to the 1 minute part, and then the hardest part is try to connect this little tail to the rest of the music in a way that doesn't look off or weird. So you gotta kind of listen the beats and try to match the beats in the final end of the music with the beats in the middle of the music. When you find the perfect match and the perfect way to connect both of them, Embisher is very well connected and very well drawn. Sometimes you can even add a crossfade to make them more smooth. Now look the difference of a video that just finished in the middle of the music. And then see a video that finished with the actually ending of the music. Can you tell me which one of them give you more the sense that the video was actually finishing? And that was basically it. People were very sensitive to music, so if you know how to play your music right and how to connect your music, you're gonna actually touch your audience deeply and connect even more with them.